Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with an amazing haul. And like I said before, I am trying to not spend as much, but when I see a good sale, I'm all over it. And so today I'm coming on to show you my creative time haul. And I just got it in today. And I know she still have some things in the shop, but not everything. But if you have the time, make sure you go over and check her out. So, and I'm going to tell you these prices of what I got everything for. So, this is called the baby cake die. I got three of those, and I got those for some, maybe, for giveaways or something. But I got three of those. This was 59 cents for this. This I didn't realize I had. I knew I had the pinwheel die, and I didn't realize I had the pinwheel centers. And so, but this was only 29 cents. And so now I don't need it, so I'll just be giving that away. This is called Happy for You, and this was the most expensive set I bought. This was $3.74. Her dies are good quality dies, as well as the stamps are photopalmer, so very good quality stamps and dies here. And these were from our old set. These aren't the new ones. These are from our old sets. And so yeah, so there goes Happy for You, $3.74, and it came with dies. Look at the die set. It's pretty big. I would say it's about 4 1/4, 4 by 4, I think. And I actually got it for this tennis shoe. I like that tennis shoe. But yeah, good quality dies and stamps. Um, the next one right here, this one is called Baby Bump Add-ons, 59 cents for this. Good quality dies. You can see what's on it. This one's called the social media dies, and I had been wanting this. I think I may have gotten the last one of this one. This was 89 cents though. 89 cents. This one is called the I Love You pop-up die. So this will pop up in the center of your card. This one was 89 cents as well. These are the stitched buttons. And I do have a few stitched buttons, but I don't have really small ones, which is the reason why I got it. And I don't have this octagon one or whatever that is. And this was stitched buttons, $1.34. And this one I want to create some background dies, so I know I'll use, background paper, so I know I'll use this one. And this one was called the polka dot, I want to say, fun polka dots. This was $1.19. Photopalmer stamps. So I was all over this when I watched her video, and I watched it late, so I'm sure I missed out on some items. But I wanted to head over as soon as I seen it, and I seen it like at 11 something at night. So I follow her on her blog, as well as on her YouTube channel, but mostly her YouTube channel. And then this one, I know Christmas is over, but for this price, I went ahead and got it. It was $1.04. And I had been wanting this one and almost bought it before she marked it down this low. And this one cuts into the paper. That's how that one looks. And let me tell you what that price was. $2.24. And then this one, I wouldn't have normally got this. But for the price that I was getting it for, it's a complete background die. And I can do something with that. And for this one, it is $2.54. Good price. And I know we always have something have to do with breast cancer at church, so I thought I should pick up this. Even if it wasn't something I would normally use, I knew there would be something on there that I could use. Like Never Give Up, You're My Hero, Keep Fighting. And I really like this. This also came with dies. And this was $2.69. Amazing prices. And then this one was the New Year. It was called New Year something. $2.69. And it came with a die as well. And I really like this one. because I mean, my mom is gone, but I do make my sisters Mother's Day cards, and so I thought this was good. And one year I made my whole church Mother's Day cards, who to all the moms. And this one was $2.69, and it also came with dies. I mean, like amazing prices. And then this one, these two are Valentine's Day sets, and of course, Valentine's Day is right around the corner. And this one was called You're a Hit Valentine, $2.69, and it came with the dice for the children and the hearts. And then this one was something like Love is in the Air or something like that. Yes, Love is in the Air. This one was $3.29, and it came with a die. So some amazing prices. If you have the time, make sure you head over to My Creative Time store, and I'll have it linked down below, and just see what else she has left. Not much, because some she said she only had one item left, which I know she still had some things in the store. But I wish I would have caught that sale when it first started, because I know that there were some things that were left in her retirement section, and that's the section, retired section, that she had still on sale. And of course, they were gone by the time I got there. So I'll leave the link down below. Make sure you head over and get this amazing deal. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.